Nitrogang? Today, we're going to unbox this brand new HPI Savage X4.6 on top of my HPI Savage XL, and then I'm going to run the Schumacher Menace 3-speed baby. As a matter of fact, take a look at this clip. It already runs. I wasn't even kidding.
Schumacher, Nitro Menace 21. First start, look at that beautiful idol. 421 big block. With a 3-speed baby, that's right, you see those 3 speeds? Now that is what you call an idol.
And then I will finally take a look at what the problem is with this OS 18TZ engine in my Traxxas Revo Survivor Edition. We're not done just yet. I'm also going to be repairing the broken clutch spring on this Red Cat Earthquake with this SH21 engine. Sounds like a lot of stuff I have to get done in one video, so why don't we start right now? I got you. It's April 1st, baby, and what we're really going to do is take a look at the April 1st day sale on the Tower Hobbies website. Normally, I hate everything Tower Hobbies has on sale because it's the stuff that literally never sells, like overpriced servos and expensive LiPo battery packs. But today, for April Fools, I think they have a little bit of a treat for the Nitrogang. Let's take a look at what we got. And don't you worry, I have not really officially tricked you with the unboxing of this Savage. But listen, this kind of stuff takes a while. Don't think I'm just gonna put down close to 500 bucks on this, open it up in one video, go eat a pizza because it's freaking party time with Nitros on my channel. Unboxing something like this for me, it's kind of a holiday. The last time I unboxed a brand new, brand name Nitro, it must have been over a decade ago. A lot of stuff I work on is old. It's sometimes even donated to me by viewers like the Schumacher. There's always a bunch of problems. You can't just go out, break them in and run them. No. But this, I'm really gonna take my time. I'm gonna enjoy it. And guys, you will get the full details in the next videos coming up on this HPI Savage X4.6. Let's take a look at what's on sale today for April Fools. I am on the Tower Hobbies website, so today they're claiming to save up to 25%, no joke, with using this code April 1st. So these are all the items. There are 39 items that are on sale. Let's see what they are. We're going to go through one by one. Overpriced expensive engine, not going to get that. Overpriced servo, not going to get that. This Mercedes G wagon body, don't care about that. Expensive castle motor, don't care. The first item I actually consider and caring about is this 10th scale Tamiya TT02, so $118. Very good deal, 118 bucks, and you could also apply this 20% off discount, so that will bring the price to under $100 for something that really, this is a fair street price for one of these. 118 bucks. Pretty cool looking Benz body. Personally, I don't really care about these TT02 chassis. They are great for like indoor racing, but normally I run outside on pavement. A small 10 scale electric tub chassis like this would get destroyed almost right away. So for me, it really is just not an option. Personally, I do like them, and I would get it if I was into this scene, but I just am not. We have some Duratrax tires. With a 25% off code, this would bring it to like around 30 bucks. Pretty good deal for these Hatchet MT. We have a 80s style replica, the Tamiya Hornet, don't care. A Charger, also don't care. Here we go. First LiPo battery. Super don't care about this. More servos. Another interesting RC. So another Tamiya TT. This is the 01 chassis. 141 bucks. So with 20% off, this will make it fairly reasonable. Personally, I think I'm actually considering maybe ordering this today. But you see, guys, it really is just like a tub chassis with a brushed motor. The good thing is they come with the Tamiya ESC, which I've ran in my lunchbox, and they're very good ESCs. You can run, I'm pretty sure you can run a, this is the TBLE02. So you can run a brushless motor. So you see right here, it says ESC features brushless motor mode. Yeah, so you could run like a low-powered brushless motor on this, and it's a very cool RC if you want to put it together. It comes with this dope body, but once again, it's just a body on, a small electric tub 10 scale chassis. But for the price, 20% off with the 140 bucks, I would buy. I'm just not going to buy it because, I really kind of am running out of space, to be honest with you. I have Savages all over the place, as you just saw in my video. Here is a high-tech servo. Man, I loved these servos years ago. But, you know, today the Amazon servos are just better deals. More LiPo batteries. Nitrogang doesn't care about LiPo batteries. The first real item that I really like is this Dynamite 0.28 engine. So $114 with 25% off. Do you notice there's something in my cart? Oh, wow. The Dynamite engine is in my cart. I might order it by the end of this video. I'm still kind of feeling it out a little bit. We'll see. But let me show you guys what this retails for on Amazon right now. So this is the current price for the same motor on Amazon, 0.28, $111. And you won't get any discount here unless, you know, you're a Prime member like I am. You'll get like the 5%. But still, you'll be in over $100 for this motor, obviously plus tax. This is the same exact motor that comes on the Team Low C Truggy. So the one that sells for $399, there's only 2 left in stock now on Amazon. And yeah, $114. So let's see what we get. I mean, spec-wise, you know, I don't think they even publish anything yet. It's like basics, you see. 0.28 pull start boom. This is like, you know, an engine that's rated to about, I think, 2.8 horsepower. So it's very good. It's not ideal. It's not the best, but it is very good for the price, for the money. Let's see what it will be when we go to my cart. So 114, right? I already applied the code. Look at that. $86 estimated total. I don't know, man. I think I'm kind of talking myself into even purchasing this. Now, what am I going to put this into? Honestly, I have no idea. People sometimes ask me to, you know, do a big block Traxxas t-maxx or Revo conversion. I don't think I want to do that, but this would be an ideal engine choice. At $86 right now, maybe I will order it. I don't know. First, let's go check out the rest of the deals we have here for April Fools on Tower Hobbies. Let's just continue. Maybe something else will be interesting. Tires, don't care. Expensive ESCs, don't care. Airplane-related stuff. Okay, second page. What else we got? Of course, some, you know, overpriced upgrade parts here. More LiPos, more servos. Field programmer. A lot of electric-related type of stuff, you know, pretty much nothing that I would ever use. Finishing epoxy, this is useful if you need to repair parts. A stand, also pretty useful, but, you know, I don't need any of this. Yeah, all of this stuff is useless. The only item that's interesting I see here is this Tamiya chassis. The second Tamiya chassis, just because they're very good prices, and honestly, it's cool. I like them. And this Dynamite motor, $114. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Should I order it? I'm kind of still talking myself into it. I honestly don't even know what I would put this into, but at $86, it's a very good deal. Well, we'll see. You know, I'm doing a video on this right now. It's April Fools. And maybe I will order it. Maybe I won't order it. You'll just have to check in a future video. But hopefully, if you're watching this video today on the day of its release and it's still April Fools, this thing will still be in stock. Luckily, it's still in stock right now, so I highly recommend. Under $100 for a Dynamite 0.28. They're reliable. They run good. Man, I'm talking about engines and looking at this truck right here. I don't know. I kind of want it. You know, but in reality, these type of chassis, like once you build them, you're pretty much, that's it, you know. Unless you have a very smooth type area to drive it in, you're never going to drive it. I want you guys to take a look at this next video. I'm going to show you, it was recorded a little while ago, kind of like a lot of racing, and you'll understand the kind of running that I do and why I really just cannot run chassis like this. So let's go straight to this racing clip I have from a while ago, and you guys will know what I'm talking about.
We got a race going, we got a race going. Oh! That X-Max drove over that Arma. I'm gonna flip you, bro. I'm gonna help you out. Go, come on. Beat them all. What are you doing? Gotta get out of the way. Come on, Arma. You got some crashes on you. 7-scale Arma Mojave. Oh. Bro, why you keep coming to me, Arma? X-Max, Arma Mojave, the battle of the electric beast. They're all fighting out here.
Let's do it.
Yo, that's nice. She's whipping that.
Make room.
All right, what are we gonna do, guys?
Too big. Too big. Too big.
Too big. Could we all line up in order? Not like you do what you want. All right, too big, everyone. Come on, Arma, get in line. You're not number one just because you're number one in sales right now. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh man, that X-Maxx is front flip central over there. We got front flips all over this place. That's like the flip corner over there. Oh! Whoa. You two fighting? Is this a fight? What are you doing? Should I help you out? I'll help you out. You know what? I respect my fellow RCs.
You can't get caught.
Wait 2 seconds.
Staying out of this one.
No, get back in.
Hey, don't egg me out, bro. You just want to destroy my Jado. I'm just kidding. Nitro.
So fine, but her breath is like woo. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to woo. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star.